Dikkat! Ushbu video fakat 18 yoshdan katta tomoshabinlar uchun mo'ljallangan.
Hello everyone, and welcome. In today's video, I'll show you how to register for a 1xBet account using your phone in just a few simple steps. If you're creating an account for the first time, make sure to watch this video until the end. First, open the official 1xBet website or mobile app on your smartphone. On the home page, tap the registration button to begin. Next, choose your preferred registration method. You can sign up using your phone number, email address, or any other available option. Select the method that works best for you. Enter your phone number or email address, then create a strong and secure password that you can easily remember. If you see a promo code field during registration, enter the promo code 1xBetPro before completing the process. After filling in all the required information, review your details carefully and tap the Register button. Your account should be created within a few seconds. Once your account is ready, it's recommended to verify your phone number or email address. This helps improve your account security and makes account recovery easier if you ever need it. If you're using the mobile app, simply log in with your new account and start exploring the platform. The app is fast, convenient, and easy to use. Always make sure the personal information you enter is accurate. If account verification is required in the future, your details should match your official identification documents. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Disclaimer: please follow the laws and regulations in your country. This platform is intended for adults only. Always use online services responsibly.